That one extra month we got to file our tax returns this year is now up.
Today is the deadline, and I would say that the best way to file is to do it electronically. That way there is no controversies related to when your tax return was actually filed.
The clock is ticking. If you're filing by old-fashioned paper return, you better find a post office still open. It needs to be postmarked by May 17th. If you're an e-filer, you must hit the send key by the stroke of midnight. Finance expert and CPA Dan Geltrude with an important reminder. While you can file Form 4868 for an extension, that is not an extension to pay. If you owe money, it has to be paid by the deadline.
Your tax return is due. If you don't have the funds to pay your tax bill, file your tax return anyway. It is a crime not to file your tax return.
And there's more important items to remember this year. If you received unemployment benefits, the first $10,200 per person is tax-free. Anything above that is taxed. Federal stimulus payments are not taxed. If you have not received your stimulus payment or child tax credit for the first several stimulus packages, you should claim it as a credit when you file your return. As for those work-from-home expenses, more likely than not, you're out of luck.
So many people working from home, they want to be able to deduct those costs. They cannot if they are an employee of a company. You could only deduct those expenses if you are self-employed.